question is, can cyberbullying have long-term mental health consequences even after the bullying stops? What should victims and their families be aware of?
I think definitely yes. Definitely yes, because what we believe is the stressors, it could be chronic stress or long-term stress. So chronic stress, it could be like, for example, it's just like we know the chronic disease like diabetes, it will be a long term. So bullying, it could be, I experienced bullying before. So after that, I might still feel that I might get, even stop bullying after you graduate, for example, if you are the university student, you get bullied, cyberbullying. After you graduate, you might think, well, the same things happen to me again. So I think the effects will be long-term, and definitely I agree that there will be a long-term effect. If you say young adult, if the family member are not staying together with them, actually it's very hard for them to detect. Unless the persons, means the victim themselves, they share with their family. But it's unlikely to be happen. You try to think of yourself, if you receive some cyberbullying, from your friends or from your colleagues, will you tell your family members? Unless you are very close with your siblings, most likely yes. But to your parents, I don't think you will share it. So it's very hard. That is why a lot of school bullying and cyberbullying is very hard for us to detect and to stop, because the victim themselves, like the adolescents, undergraduates, they might feel ashamed. So they need to have, we ourselves as the victim, we need to have the awareness to protect ourselves and to share this with others. So this should be start from the victim themselves instead of family. Of course, my family maybe can help if they detect. Sometimes we might ask the victims, do you tell this to your family members? Do you tell these incidents to other adults? Most of the answer is yes. Actually, we will seek help from our closer one, means our family members and our friends. But some of them might not take it seriously. So it brings another negative effect to us. If the parents say, maybe you try to think, is it because your friends don't like you because this is your fault? This kind of negative comment will even make the victims more depressed or something. So if you are the family members, if your child willing to share this with you, you need to take the chance and listen to them seriously. Be their listener. Okay, first be their listener, understand the incidents. Okay, try to understand the incidents before you brand on them. Try to think of that. Okay, so always support. Okay, always support them so they know they are resourceful. If I need help, someone with me. So they know they are not alone. If they are being bullied, they might isolate themselves, just like what I mentioned just now. So if you let them know, at least family members, we can support you, then they might feel better. I think this is the things that they can do.